egg, please. Right.
Sure.
Most of you know I've started doing Weight Watchers for a change. So I'm doing crispy Zinger burger salad for lunch. So I've got my egg. And I'm going to weigh out. Yeah, I'm going to do my own.
Did they make it sweet or sour?
Sweet with some cocoa powder. I'm going to weigh out my Doritos. Now in the recipe it says 30 grams, but I don't want 30 grams because it's for me. That fresh cucumber, that's in the bin. So I'm going to just weigh out a few of these. Right, that's 15 grams. Right, so we're going to smash them up. Right. Because you're going to coat your chicken in this. This is from the Pinch and Nom book. And I've got my air fryer. I'm using the XL grill today, which is only me. Nobody else wants. And while I was shopping, they all fed themselves. Amazing, ain't it?
Very funny. At least I made myself something.
Can't say anything. I really can't. I ain't even faulting them. I'm actually praising them, but I'm in the wrong for praising them.
No,
Hey, bad, sir.
Gonna ask red box?
Yeah, red box.
Alright.
Right, then a bite size. Ready to coat, yeah? Breaking a little bit more. What's everybody else doing? Yeah, I want them, yeah, them are my...
Lydia and Joe, I haven't seen.
No, they've all been doing MS Sweetheart, you know, I'm doing live.
Sorry. But I did ask.
They've already eaten, and now they have, because I was here when they did it. Right. Right. Whisk your egg up. I got a feeling. Woo-hoo. And I'm doing toad in the hole tonight. Get your chicken breast. Coat that. Right. Now this is my recipe. I've just adapted it because I know on Pinch of Nom it's got everything else. And I don't do that. How am I today? I'm feeling quite good actually. I'm quite chirpy today for a change, which is, well, not for a change. I'm not feeling ill. Does that make sense? I'm not feeling poorly. I think my medication's starting to work. So that is done. You failed. Oh no. Oh, brighten everybody's day. Thank you. Right. So, here. There's my chicken breast. And we're going to go over to the air fryer. Look, there's my beauty. Emma, can you just...
Yeah, sure.
My camera woman is back. And I'm going to put that into the thickest part. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not even going to spray it. I'm not going to do anything to it. And that's how we're going to do that.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
So while that's cooking, I'm going to do my salad. Okay. She's in a good mood. I don't know. So. I'm using chicken sausages for mine. Yeah, chicken finest sausages. This one is good for your figure. This is healthy eating at its finest. Look, cucumber, salad, peppers and tomatoes. What's not healthy? Well, this has already been washed, so I like these ones. Like literally just been washed. So I'll just rinse again. I like a bit of cucumber actually on my salads. You know. Don't ditch the cucumber. And also, have you tried it with some radish? So it is rubbish to some. Have you tried it in vinegar with some radish and onion? Now that's a game changer, you see. So I'm just rinsing that all off. You're such a joy. Ah, thank you. I ain't really, not when I've been woke up. I'm such a grump. So I'm just drying that off. Hi, Pauline. It's up to 22 already. Right, so I'm just going to chop this up. Exactly. Yeah, chicken's good for you. Bacon and outcakes. Yeah, I must say I do like an outcake. There he is. See, he does exist. See? I'm just getting a peeler. I don't like this. I don't like the skin on cucumber. Up to 37. Exactly. Gin and tonic with a slice of cucumber in there. That's the business. Mind you, I do like gin and tonic with raspberries or blueberries in. Just, you know, when you've frozen them. I I didn't buy no blueberries. Else I can tell you now that would be my drink tonight. Hi Anne. I'm doing crispy chicken. It's on the description, love. Sorry. Hi, Samantha. Up to 48 won't be. Oh no, you didn't look. Sorry. I'm in one of their moods. Oh, it's saying slip. Shall we have a look? It does go lovely with chips. I'm doing that gravy later actually. Look at that. Look at that. Up to 52. How quick's this going? How quick is this meal? That's my salad. And tomatoes. Love these. The smell of Spain. Oh, the Great Escape. Toad in the Hole, and I'm having an individual one, and it works out to 6 points, I think. Oh yeah, Duncan. Now you're talking. But I had eggs this morning, you see. Chicken curry in the grill. Ooh. Why does nobody else do videos? Why is it just me? You know, you come up with these ideas. I don't believe unless I've seen a picture. Or unless you're doing live. And if I'm not busy, I'll watch it. Right, that's done. Plate of salad. Up to 62. I'm fab to watch. Oh, my head's swelling. Learning and that meal. I've done that before. Oh, thank you. Does that mean I put you to sleep, Joanne? You know, I could get complex. Hi, Jill. Yum. Season. Quite a few people have said that actually. You know, I do get riled though. It's just a demure look. Ask Emma, I'm very good at losing it. You know, when teenagers play you up. I'm learning not to be calm around them. Thank you. Well, if I got any more relaxed, I'd be asleep myself, you see. I think that's why, to be honest, I think that's why we're blessed with Liam. That's why he doesn't have meltdowns, is because I'm so calm. How many lovely teenagers have I got? Well, Emma's 33, but she's got autism, so she's like a 16, 17-year-old. Lydia is 21, and she, again, is like a 16-year-old. Just the two of them together. Then you've got Joe, who's 19. He's lovely, he's a ray of sunshine. But he can be hard. And then you've got Jess, the lovely Jess over there, who sits at the table doing her work, look, yeah. She's 13 and she does not cause us any trouble. And I'm holding on to the doors and holding on to everything that is made of wood while I say that. Exactly. See, I know I'm not the only one, that's why I don't complain. The only complaint I have is when I'm poorly, they don't realise I'm poorly. Now that is, it's like they can't understand to run or to help. There we go, my food is done. How good's that? I've been online for how long? Yeah, exactly, Wendy. That's why I love cooking. Right, look at that salad. Look at that. Oh my God. How good does that look? I'm just going to leave it be quiet now for just 2 minutes while I just go, oh my God. Right. Now you've had a bit of food porn for the morning, I'm going to go and shove my face. Thanks for watching.